Hey guys, David here. Welcome to Digital Outlook, where you're gonna find the best community in all of crypto. In today's video, it's looking just like 2017. So guys, without further ado, why don't we get to it? Guys, you are going to be absolutely amazed as we go through this video. And the reason for that is we are seeing something happen that has not happened in over 5 years. And it's literally mirroring what happened back in 2017. Now, we all know that history doesn't repeat, but we've also already, all of us have probably heard history rhymes. Well, I'll tell you what, guys, this is rhyming like absolutely crazy. And when you see this, it is really going to blow your mind. Just take a look over here at this article. And this article is talking about XRP continues rally, taking over 28% of total volume on major Korean crypto exchanges. Guys, it was the 2017 big massive blow off top bull run for XRP was spurred on by major amounts of transactions going through Korea. And I'm telling you what, we're seeing almost identical movement happening right now. Now just take a look at what this article says. While the rest of the crypto market has seen sharp declines over the past week, XRP has only continued to boast bullish moves. Over the past 7 days, the asset has surged by more than 20%, emerging as the top gainer among large crypto by market cap. And think of this, XRP is hitting what, the 6th top place, and it has never once left the top 10 since this Ripple versus SEC lawsuit even began. Never, not once, guys, even being shut out of the most of North American exchanges save Uphold, only one. XRP has remained in the top 10 for market cap, and that alone is unbelievable, amazing, staggering statistic. Now, according to data from CoinMarketCap, XRP has the largest trading volume on Upbit, South Korea's largest cryptocurrency exchange. The token's trading volume has surpassed even large crypto by market capitalization such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Alongside its continuous rally, XRP has taken over Upbit regarding trading volume. At the time of writing, the asset currently accounts for 28.71% of Upbit's trading volume. This is significantly higher than the trading volume of other large assets listed on the exchange. Now, look at this. With Upbit's total trading volume currently at 1.5 billion, XRP accounts for a large sum of 446 million, almost $500 million through one exchange, ranking first in the exchange's list of cryptocurrencies. Coming second on the list is Bitcoin, which accounts for just 169. Look at that, guys. The difference between Bitcoin, who is supposed to be the king of this whole space, on Upbit, they did 169 million. XRP did 446 million. Now, Ethereum, the second largest crypto by market cap, is ranked 9th on Upbit's list of crypto trading volume. ETH accounts for just 33 million. XRP is over a 10x of Ethereum on Upbit, even lower than Doge trading volume on the exchange, which sits at 57.5 million, ranking 4th. Notably, the increase in XRP's trading volume in South Korea has been noticed since last week, a few days after the token rallied up to 25% on March 21st. Interesting. Trades on Upbit are being made in exchange against the South Korean won. A rise in XRP trading volume on the exchange could mean South Koreans may sell their KRW in exchange for XRP. This happens regardless of Ripple's ongoing case with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Meanwhile, attorney John E. Deaton tweeting that XRP's risk reward is attractive, adding that the asset is a buy at current market prices. Absolutely zero doubt. Guys, in my estimation and my personal opinion, XRP, anything sub $1 is an amazing, amazing deal right now. Even sub $5 is going to be an amazing deal. Now listen to this. Over the past 7 days, XRP has seen a significant surge in value, moving from a low of 37 cents seen as of March 20th to trading as high as 49 cents the next day. So far, XRP has been doing well from a technical perspective. And according to the asset price chart, XRP could continue to rally given it still has a liquidity to the upside. Guys, this is absolutely staggering. And what I want to show you here, there is a little quote in this article right here. Now, this article is actually dealing with a totally different asset. In fact, it's talking about Aptos surge triggers flashbacks of Ripple's 2017 bull run. And what I want you to see is the quote right down in here that this individual wrote in here. This momentum, however, is reminiscent of Ripple's run in 2017. Marcus Thielen, head of research and strategy at Matrixport, said in a report, the quote, "This reminds me of Matrix on target of XRP Ripple, which had 50% of its trading volume driven by Korean retail investors during the 2017 peak when the token went 10x in a matter of weeks." Now, guys, I want to show you what that actually looked like from a chart perspective. Just take a look right over here. So you see this line here, guys, this long straight line down here? Well, that is XRP's price from 2014 all the way through to about 2017, the beginning of 2017. And do you know what? There were a lot of people in here accumulating. And at the point where, they're just getting tired of it. And you saw some people getting out here. And the price was averaging around that, 0.006. And in fact, right there on January 4th of 2017, you could have picked XRP up at 0.006. And just imagine if you had to put 6,000 in there at that time and you got a million XRP. Well, what happened is this thing literally shot up there around that 20, 25, 22, 23 cent range. I think it went about that. And then it just kind of came down and dwindled around in here. Almost for an entire year, it was staying in between that 22 and 17 cent range. And then, guys, one day, bang, this thing just shot off like a rocket ship. It went sky high. And just imagine if you were the dude that picked it up here at 0.006 and you held it all the way into here. Do you know what date this was? This was January 4th, 2017. You know what date this was? January 4th, 2018, to the day it hit its peak at $3.84. Now, if you had nailed the bottom and you nailed the top, you could have turned a $6,000 investment into $3.84 million just 1 year later. But guys, let's be realistic. And I like to even share this in my coaching. Just imagine that you didn't pick it up at like 0.006. Let's multiply it by a factor of 5 because as we know, it can be really, really amazingly difficult to nail the bottom and nail the top. But just imagine you paid 30 grand for your million XRP. So you multiplied the whole thing by 5. And you didn't sell it way up at the top here. Maybe you sold it somewhere right in about here as things really you thought were mooning big time. And you turned your 30 grand into 1.5 million. Do you think you would have been happy? Oh boy, I bet you would. And that is just 1 year. Guys, this is how you see life-changing money. This is how you see major, major gains. Now, guys, you think, where are we at now? Well, we came down in here, and this is that whole 2021 move right up in here, where XRP in December of 2020 had dropped down to 17.5 cents, only to take off to $1.97. 4 months later, 1,100% return. But just take a look what happened. And here we are, moving along, just like we did down here. And guys, look at what they're talking about, how Korea is taking over. Now, you want to see it in real time? Just take a look at this. This is Fiat Leak. And guys, look at over here at Korea. I mean, you can literally see the amount of volume coming out for XRP in Korea right now is absolutely off the charts. And presently, as I record, the price of XRP is at 49.14 cents. And you're seeing at least triple the volume than what you're seeing going here. And I'm telling you guys, it is reminiscent of what happened there in 2017. It literally seems like we're watching a rerun. Now we know history doesn't repeat, but as we love to say, it sure does rhyme. And I'm telling you, that sense, that feeling, and here we are just waiting to get that legal clarity. And if that decision comes out this next week or very, very soon into April, May, and I know some folks are even saying, hey, we might even have to wait to June. But even if we did have to wait to June, are you kidding me? When we get that legal clarity, it is going to absolutely take off. Forget about the moon, guys. We are going to fly right past it and smash into Jupiter. At least that's my opinion. But when I take a look at these kind of metrics and I see this like we did back then, and I'm taking a look at a chart like this where things were just kind of tinkering along, and you look at how similar this looks to right here where this looks right here. It is extremely similar. And guys, I'm going to tell you something. A lot of folks have bought down in here at 0.006 and we got up to those 20-cent things. They thought they hit the mother lode and they sold down in here. Yep, they sure did. And a lot of people in here that were holding, that had bought in this high move up here and it had went down, they thought, darn it, I bought high and now look at, and a lot of them actually capitulated and sold out. And if they just had held, can you imagine those kind of gains? Unbelievable. This is life-changing money right here when this happens. And guys, I think we're just tinkering along and we're ready to see an absolute rocket ship move in this next bull run for XRP. It is going to be mind-blowing. Now, that's my opinion. But guys, I just think what we're seeing in this ecosystem is truly something else. And I'll tell you what, for me, I'm already convinced. Now, I can share my conviction with you. I can't give it to you. And that's why I encourage you to go out there, do your own research, find out as much as you can about this space, and then see what you feel about it then. But I'm telling you what, for me, it is on like Donkey Kong. So guys, one thing for sure, it is heating up fast in this space, and one thing you're definitely going to want to have is your plan in place before this thing absolutely explodes. And what our coaching program offers, that is where you and I can meet personally one-on-one for 1 hour over Zoom. And during that time, I share with you our personal journey in that last bull run and what enabled Judy and I to experience some major financial success. I share with you the mistakes we made so that you don't have to fall into the same pitfalls we did. We take a look at your portfolio and make sure that it's balanced towards your goals, and we work together to develop your exit strategy, and we can even get your assets off an exchange and onto a hardware wallet, along with delivering to you some amazing techniques that will really help you in this space. Now, the cost of that is $250, and if that's something that interests you, you write me right there at coaching@thedigitaloutlook.com and we'll get you all booked in. So guys, this is the video I have for you today, and I'll tell you what, I truly enjoyed making it for you, and I really hope that you liked it too. Now, I want to invite you to join the conversation. As always, put your comments down in there. Open it up to the community. Let other people give you their 2 cents and vice versa. Make a conversation out of it. Now, many of you know, hey, I am not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice, but if you found value in it, if you'd hit that like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. Now listen, my stats show me that thousands and thousands of you that are watching aren't subscribing. And we're really trying to get this community to grow and this channel to actually really expand. And so I'd really appreciate it if you actually hit that subscribe button and became a part of this community. It would mean a great, great deal. Now, having said that, I wish you the very best in the meantime and in between time. Stay safe, be blessed, and I'll catch you in the next one.